What we eat can impact our health as well as the environment. Many studies have looked at the impacts of diets in very general terms, focusing on broad food groups. However, a new study led by researchers at the University of Tokyo explores this issue following a more nuanced dish-level approach. This method provides a deeper understanding of how specific dishes affect both nutrition and carbon footprint. Our main conclusion is this: mixed diets can offer good health and environmental outcomes, said Associate Professor Yin Long from the University of Tokyo's Graduate School of Engineering. By analyzing individual dishes rather than broad food categories, the study reveals that mixed diets afford consumers a larger diversity of dishes that can meet both nutritional requirements and have low carbon footprints. This approach considers the cultural associations and varying connections people have with their diets around the world. The study identified trade-offs in terms of nutrition, carbon footprint, and price for individual dishes with multiple ingredients. While dishes from broad categories like beef-based or fish-based dishes exhibit familiar trends of higher carbon footprints, there are exceptions. For instance, diets based on dishes with a greater proportion of plant-based ingredients tend to have lower carbon footprints, but sometimes fail to meet daily nutrient requirements. Conversely, mixed diets strike a balance between good nutritional outcomes and low carbon footprints, offering a larger combination of dishes that meet daily nutrient requirements. The researchers analyzed data on 45 dishes popular in Japan, consisting of multiple ingredients and different cooking times, using algorithms to optimize parameters within sets of data. We identified a large concentration of dishes with low nutrient density and correspondingly low emissions and prices, said Long. This highlights the importance of considering individual dishes rather than broad food categories. Mixed diets, which include a variety of dishes, can better meet nutritional needs while maintaining a low carbon footprint. Varying cultural preferences and ingredient availability lead to radically different ways to build healthy and sustainable diets between different countries and local contexts, said Professor Alexandros Gasparatos from the University of Tokyo's Institute for Future Initiatives. Dish-based approaches can better reflect how food is actually prepared and consumed in a given local context, considering cultural preferences for certain tastes or cooking methods. This method also accounts for the relative availability of certain food items, which might be influenced by local environmental conditions. We do not believe that impact analyses based on food groups and dishes are mutually exclusive, said Gasparatos. Instead, they are highly complementary. Approaches relying on food groups can reveal broadly what sustainable diets can look like and how to achieve them at the production level. At the same time, dish-based approaches can inform better day-to-day food consumption at national and local levels. This dual approach can help design and convey feasible and acceptable ways to steer dietary habits toward more sustainable directions. Dietary choices have important ramifications for human health and the environment, said Gasparatos. Unhealthy dietary habits have been associated with increased prevalence of obesity, diabetes, and various types of cancers. Food production can have severe environmental impacts. I myself have tried to make some diet-conscious changes in the last couple of years, Gasparatos added. This research reaffirmed the belief that mixed diets offer numerous benefits, helping identify items and dishes to be consumed in moderation.